Hello, everyone. Let's look at Avenue Supermarts, which is the dmart company. So, dmart is a pretty famous retail chain in India. Um, like it says here, everyday low cost, everyday low price. Basically, uh, they provide value to Indian consumers in retail space. They provide very high quality products at reasonable prices because Indian consumers are very cautious. Uh, so yeah, let's. This company has been going through a correction recently. If you see here, this company hasn't. Is it the same price it was at 2021 3,500? But if you see its numbers, it has drastically improved. So 2021 the sales were 24,000. Now it's at 57,000. The EPS was 16. It's almost 2.5 times now the EPS and the sales as well. So, and yeah, the reserves has increased as well. Not much debt, and we'll see. Um, so the retail investors have actually decreased, which is actually a good sign for you to invest. Now, just to give some context, this slowdown is basically happened because of management commentary that the quick commerce in India is actually growing very fast, has had some um, impact on the sales of the retail chains as well. But I don't believe that will in any way affect DMart's position in retail. DMart, I mean, even after everything, there are so many products that you won't really buy in online space, but you will find it at DMart, and there is so even if you see now, DMart is hardly um, at like few half the India. I am not considering this because these are very recently started. So the model they follow is somewhere here it should be mentioned something called cluster. Basically they are expanding in cities they are already in. So um, these are like Maharashtra is one state which is pretty saturated, but all the states have so much more room to increase. So they are at 387 stores, but I believe in next 3, 5, 7 years they should go to almost 700-800 stores, eventually 1,000 stores. And not just the growth of stores, but within the stores as well. If you have recently been to DMart has started uh, selling lots of DMart products. So if you uh, so we're not seeing as much, but DMart is a very big suppliers of open rice, dal, nuts, and all of these products. So you will see that in the stores. That's uh, a segment in itself to grow in the retail space, which is not exactly shown here. Not many people see in the presentations, but that's a good case actually. And even if you see any DMart place, any DMart store, um, any retail store under like 5 kilometer in that radius, they don't do much business in front of DMart. DMart does most of the business. And even this quarter's number came, it's like 15,000 crore sales is the highest ever. It has the highest EPS as well. It's consistently maintained 987 margin, and there is so much more room to grow as well. Will uh, online commerce have impact on the retail stores as well? I believe little bit probably in the metro cities, but there's so much more scope to be grown in the tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities and towns in India. There's so much more. Like I am, and this is like Bhubaneswar, right? Bhubaneswar, in Odisha, there are no stores. People looking for such stores. Like they haven't known any quality stores like DMart to be available in their town. So recently, I see it has started entering NCR. I believe, like Mumbai, it will have much more stores in NCR in the coming quarters. So yeah, there is so much more scope to growth. Coming to valuation, so it's set at 222 lakh 24 crore market cap. It probably will stay in such or may even fall to 3000 rupees. So probably will be even better opportunity to buy. Um, so currently, like price to sales, if you observe, it's around 57,000 crore sales now. I believe like it is still room to go like 1 lakh crore sales in the next 5 years or so. So yeah, there is so much room to growth. Some of the like challenges I will say to this business is um, if the e-commerce company starts um, matching dmart's price. So dmart's sales is a very discounted price, right? If they start to match this price because they achieve that scale as well, then that can be it's a bad trigger for dmart as well. So but as I see right now, if you compare dmart's price to this quick commerce price, they still can't match that. And the reason for that is they are selling fragmented on different stores. dmart sells from one store. So that one reason I would say. Yeah, if it's a good place to like accumulate stocks. It's a support as well. So this is a good support for demand. It may not break out big, but it can easily go to 5,000 again from here. But yeah, anything less than that, like if it goes to 3,000, 2,500, I'm a happy buyer of dmart business. It's a very high quality promoter. They know the retail business in India. They know what Indian customers want. Just going to the stores, you will know that. And like I started going 2015, 2016, and this is 2024. You still see the same level of rush in the dmart store. So there is no scarcity of demand in dmart's products in dmart store. So yeah, we will come back and see again. We'll analyze the demand business again after a few months, a few years. Let's see how where the business is, but there is still room to so much growth in just the offline brick and mortar dmart stores. Of course, one more point, like they are also started selling dmart ready, and I believe they are doing decent business in online as well. And now I think recently there's a new CEO now, um, and the previous CEO was really good on retail businesses. The new CEO, I'm guessing, will be on the online businesses. So we'll wait and see, and we'll wait for some transcripts to see like how the new management is, new CEO is, commentary on and everything. But even now, the process they have set up is like so stable. There is no effect in the quarterly earnings or um, even I ordered some services on dmart ready. It works the same way. There is no change. So it's a very high quality business going through consolidation phase, probably a decent time to accumulate as well. But yeah, if it goes much below this, I'm a buyer. Like 3,500 to, let's say it goes 1,000 rupees less, it's a 2,500 price. Like market cap will be what, this is 350, 700, it will go down 30%. So probably it will be available 180, 200 lakh, 2 lakh crore or 180,000 crore. So yeah, it's a very good business. So let's see. We'll come back and see again, analyze again. Thank you.